Chapter 13. Directions and Maps. Directions help us find a way. If you stand straight, you will find that you can move your arm on 6 sides: front, back, up, down, right and left. Directions. When we go from one place to another, we use words such as left, right, up and down to help us to know how to get to a place. These are known as directions. The 4 main directions. The 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If you stand facing the sun in the morning, your front is towards the east and back points to the west. Your left hand points to the north and right hand points to the south. North, south, east and west are also called the cardinal directions. Sub-directions. Just as we have 4 directions, there are 4 sub-directions. Northeast is the direction between the north and the east. Northwest is the direction between the north and the west. Southeast is the direction between the south and the east. Southwest is the direction between the south and the west. Compass. A compass is a circular device with a needle in it that is used to find the directions. The needle always points to the north. With the help of this direction, we get to know about the other 3 directions. Directions on a map. A map is the drawing of a place on paper. We can find our way with the help of a map. They show continents, oceans, countries, cities, mountains, rivers, and many other things. Look at this map. The top of the map shows the north. The bottom side shows the south. To your right is the east. To your left is the west. These directions help us to understand a map. Different types of maps. Maps can be of the whole earth, a country, or even a small place. Here are some types of maps. The world map shows all oceans and continents. A physical map shows physical features such as mountains, rivers, and plains. A political map shows the states and cities of the country. It also shows the boundaries of different neighbors of that country. A city guide map shows places and monuments of a city. It also shows places like hotels, bus stations, railway stations, etc. Things I have learned. Directions help us to find where a place is. 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. A compass is used to find direction. A map is the drawing of a place on paper. We can find our way with the help of a map.